Hello, good evening, friends. I think that by the grace of God, you will be very okay. And in this video, I will teach you and I will tell you some vocabulary related to the household. So now I am turning my camera back so that uh, I can show you the vocabulary related to the household. So I am turning my back camera. So you can see that just if I am telling. So what is this? What is this? This vocabulary. What is this? What is this? Okay. This is tea filter. Tea filter. This is called tea filter, and this is used to filter the tea. And now I can see you. What is this? This is pan. This is pan. This is pan. And my mother used to. My mother always comes to the kitchen and uh, used to cook vegetable inside this pan, and this is called pan. This is griddle. This is called griddle. This is called griddle, and this this community and this utensil is used to make chapati. Okay. What is this? What is this? This is broom. This is broom used to clean the surface of the kitchen. Okay. You can see it. This is broom. This is broom but long side, and this is the coconut leaf, and this broom is used to clean out the surface of anywhere, and this broom is made up on coconut tree leaf. So I can keep it on these places, and this is the bucket. You can see it. This is the bucket, and this is empty bucket, and this is empty bucket, and this bucket is used to fill water, and after that this bucket is used to different purpose, for bathing and for washing the clothes. And this is the another bucket lying here, and this bucket is used to keep the wastage of the roti, chapati and eatable things. Okay. This is also a small pot, and in this pot mummy has just given surf excel and just mixed that surf excel with sari, and they are still remaining inside this pot, and mummy will tomorrow come and they will wash their saris. Okay. This is brush laying there, and this is a big pot. Just turn this side, and this is the big pan. This is the big pan here, big pan, and this is kept here for washing purpose. Okay. Now I am just going outside. Okay, what is this, please? Friends, tell me. This is earthen stove. If you are a person of village, so you can very recognize this. What is this? So this is called earthen stove, and you will find this stove only in the especially for the village people, and village people don't have much money, so village people also just use wooden. They just use dry woods, and they burn the dry woods inside this. Okay. What is this? Okay. What is this? This is a spade. And farmer used to cultivate their garden and their soil for using this. Okay. What is this kept? What is this? Okay. What is this? This is the filter. This is the filter or a strainer. I think that this is the filter of, and housewife generally use this commodity, and this commodity is called filter, and this commodity used to filter the wastage of the atta or rice powder, and this is called roller. Here is some roller, and used to roll out the chapati. This is the surface of the roller plate. This is a roller plate. Over there, over this surface, roti is rolled out. Okay. So you can see this in this corner there is another earthen stove, and this is currently using a earthen stove, and this evening my mother has cooked chapati and other eatable things, and you can see that this is the wooden stick, and over there, and mother used to burn this and used to cook food, and you can see that after burning the stick of the woods just remain this one, and this one is called charcoal, and these are having carbon. You can call it carbon. You know very well carbon C6, and their atomic number is 6, and their symbol is C. So I am telling about the chemistry. So it is carbon, and it is also called coke, and charcoal you can also tell it charcoal, and this charcoal consists of fully coke, but this is non-metal. You can see it is not a metal, it is a non-metal, and the best quality of the non-metal is if you will press, so it will break himself and itself, and you can break any non-metal pressing high pressure. So it is, so there is, what is this? So this is chapati. You can see that housewife used to keep this, and after that chapati is kept over there, over this circle, and the chapati is inserted inside this earthen stove, and after that puffed roti is puffed over there. After inserting this puffed iron into this earthen stove. Okay, another one is, what is this? This is bowl. This is plastic bowl. And I kept this bowl. Yesterday I went to the market, and I bought this bowl by paying 20 rupees, and this is very strong plastic, very strong, and it is made of different kind of chemical things. So you can think, what is this? This is sickle, but not sickle, but it is vegetable sickle, and sometimes every housewife used to cut vegetables during cooking or before cooking to the kitchen, and this is very useful, this is very dangerous, and you can see that, you can see another rack. Okay, what is this? Okay, tea filter, and this one is knife. Okay, leave it. And this one is groom. So I am just entering my kitchen, and you can see that there is a hand pump standing there, and people used to people used to generally take out water from this hand pipe. And this is, I am just there is a handle, and when I will press this handle, the water will come out from the mouth of this hand pump null. And now finally guys, I have reached the places. What can I tell you? What is this? So this is pumpkin, and tomorrow after 5 p.m. I just went to my farm land, and with my parents and with my brother and with my nephew, and I just plucked all this pumpkin from my land, and I kept it in the one corner of my house, of my home. And tomorrow morning when vendor will come or any greengrocer will come, no, so I will just sell them. I will not go to the market, because I will keep this all pumpkin in one corner. And I just today called to the vendor to come on the tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning the vendor will come, and I will sell to the vendor Kunjra ko, and I will sell to the 20 rupees per piece. And in this stake of pumpkin, in this stake of pumpkin, or I can say that it is in this heap of pumpkin, or I can say it is a stake of pumpkin, there are about 200 pieces of pumpkin, and I will sell to the vendor 20 rupees per pieces, and 200 pieces is available still laying on the grounds, and I will earn 20 multiply 20 means 4,000 rupees I will earn tomorrow morning. And another corner you can see that there is a door. This door is opening and going to outside, and on the corners I am seeing that there is one spade, and people used to, and farmer used to, farmers generally use this spade for cultivating and turning out their soil of their land. And there are is cabbage. I also today evening after 5 p.m. I just cut down 20 pieces of cabbage and kept in the another corner and on the beside of this cot, and I will sell them. This is a cabbage. You can see that this is not cabbage, this is a cabbage. Just I am turning, and I am just turning down. This is a cabbage. This is a cabbage. You can see it. This is a cabbage. See also another cabbage. You can see it. This is a cabbage. This is a cabbage. You can see that this is a cabbage, and another one pumpkin have slipped from their right places. And what is this, please? This is the cot. This is the cot, and this one is called what you tell a sprayer and farmer. And tomorrow morning I will go to the my land, and I will spray poison. I will spray poison to our lands in order to remove insect from our vegetables. So this is machine of a sprayer machine of poisons, and I will use it to remove and the insecticide from our vegetable land. So I'm just turning out the camera so that I can So guys, please tell me that how did you feel after watching these videos, and please do comment after watching these videos and make me happy. And for the time being, I will see you in the next video, and I will bring you a new things for you, and I will bring for you a new vocabulary set. So तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. Thank you for watching my video.